Loneliness is a common challenge for seniors, but the good news is that it's never too late to reconnect and bring joy back into life. In this video, we'll explore simple and effective ways to beat loneliness and stay socially active. First, staying in touch with family and friends is essential. Regular phone calls, video chats, or even handwritten letters can help maintain emotional connections. If in-person visits aren't always possible, scheduling a weekly family call or joining an online group chat can make a big difference. Many seniors find comfort in reminiscing about old memories, so sharing stories or looking through old photo albums with loved ones can bring a sense of warmth and connection. Another great way to combat loneliness is by joining social groups or community activities, whether it's a book club, a senior exercise class, or a local gardening group. Participating in activities with like-minded people fosters friendships and provides a sense of belonging. Many community centers and religious organizations offer free or low-cost social programs that make it easy to stay involved. If getting out is a challenge, virtual social clubs or online forums *** can also be a great way to connect with others from home. For those who love animals, getting a pet can be life-changing. A dog or cat provides companionship, unconditional love, and even health benefits such as reducing stress and encouraging daily movement. If caring for a pet seems like too much, volunteering at an animal shelter, pet sitting for a neighbor can still bring the joy of animal companionship without full-time responsibility. Engaging in new hobbies and activities is another fantastic way to beat loneliness. Learning something new, whether it's *** painting, playing a musical instrument, cooking, or even learning a new language, not only keeps the mind sharp, but also provides opportunities to meet new people. Many libraries and community centers offer free or affordable workshops for seniors to explore different skills. In addition to hobbies, volunteering is a powerful way to create connections. Helping others at a local charity, school, or hospital not only gives a sense of purpose, but also leads to meaningful social interactions. Even small acts like helping at a food bank or mentoring younger generations can bring immense joy and fulfillment. Staying physically active is another excellent way to fight loneliness. Exercise releases endorphins, which boost mood and overall well-being. Whether it's walking in the park, practicing yoga, or dancing, movement is beneficial for both the body and mind. Joining a senior-friendly fitness class or a walking group adds a social element, making exercise even more enjoyable. For those who prefer exercising at home, online workout videos or virtual fitness classes can be a great option. Technology is another powerful tool for staying connected. Social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Zoom allow seniors to stay in touch with family and participate in online communities. Learning how to use a smartphone, tablet, or computer can open up a world of communication. From video chatting with grandchildren to joining virtual discussion groups, many organizations even offer free tech classes to help seniors navigate the digital world with confidence. Finally, making small changes to daily routines can bring new experiences and opportunities for connection. Simple actions like changing a walking route, visiting a new cafe, or greeting neighbors can open doors to conversations and friendships. Exploring local events, free public activities, or joining a religious or spiritual community can also help build relationships. The key to beating loneliness is to take small, consistent steps towards social connection, whether it's through family, friends, hobbies, volunteering, exercise, or technology. By staying engaged and open to new experiences, seniors can lead happier, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. *** If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more senior wellness tips, and let us know in the comments how you stay connected.